student of class 12. This video is the continuation part of the chapter binary operation. Now I am going to discuss the composition table. An operation represented by the composition table will be binary if every entry of the composition table belongs to the given set. It is to be noted that composition table contains all possible compositions of two elements with respect to the operation. When the operation is plus, the table is called the addition table, and when the operation is multiplication, then the table is called multiplication table. How to create the operation table? This is the operation table. Plus 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. And this is another composition table. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Set of the elements are, here S is a set. S is a set. Set of elements are 0, 1, 2, 3. Here the given set is 0, 1, 2, 3. Elements of set S equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, here composition table operation is plus. That means I will add this element, 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 0 plus 2 equal to 2, 0 plus 3 equal to 3, 0 plus 0 equal to 0, and 0 divided by 4, that is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 is divided by 4, the remainder is 1. 0 plus 2, that is 2. 2 is divided by 4, so remainder is 2. 0 plus 3 equal to 3, and 3 is divided by 4, I will get remainder is 3. This is modulo 4. This is modulo 4. Addition modulo 4. This is multiplication modulo 4. That means two elements are added and the result is divided by 4. I will get the remainder 0. This 0 is plotted in box. Here 0 added to 1, I will get 1, and 1 is divided by 4, so I will get the remainder 1. In this way, I will complete that table. 1 plus 0 equal to 1, and 1 is divided by 4, that is 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2, that is remainder 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is divided by 4. I will get 3 and also 1 plus 3 equal to 4. When 4 is divided by 4, I will get 0. Here 2, 3, 0, 1. Here 3, 0, 1, 2. Okay. Here 0 into 0 and 0 result 0, that means product 0 is divided by 4, that is I will get 0 remainder. 0 into 1, 1. 1 is divided by 4, that is modulo 4. Modulo 4 over multiplication. 0 into 1 equal to 1. Now product is divided by 4. Remainder is 1. After that I will get 2 and here 3. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 into 0, 0. 0 divided by 4, 0. 1 into 0, that is 1, that is 2, that is 3. 1, that is equal to 1, 1 into 0, that is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. 2 into 0, 0, that is equal to 0. 3 into 0, 0. 2 into 1, 2, that is 2. 2 into 2, 4, that is 1. 2 into 3, 6. So, 6 divided by 4, I will get 4 ones are 4, that is 2. Remainder 2. 3 into 1, 3. 3, 2, 6. 6, that means 2. 3 into 3, 9. 9 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 4. That is 4. 3 3s are 9. 9, sorry, divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. This is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. I have seen that here row 1 is, that means R1, and this is R2, R1, R2, this is R3, this is row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3, this is row 4, this is row 5, row 4, this is row 5, and from here this is column 1, this portion I will not get. I will not take it. This is the first column, this is second column, here this is second column, this is third column, this is fourth column, this is fifth column. From row, when row is created, then this column is removed. When column is created, then this row is removed, and column begins from this portion. Column begins from this portion. Row begins from this portion. Okay. All elements of row 2, row 3, row 4 and row 5 are the elements of set. Each entry of the composition table, that means each entry of the composition table will be the elements of the set. First, in modulo multiplication table, all elements are the same thing. Same thing had happened. All elements of the composition table, that means all entry of the composition table, are the elements of the set. Now, here I will discuss closure property. Closure property means 0 into 0, 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0, and 0 divided by 4, I will get remainder, or I will get remainder 0. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, that is the element of all elements of the composition table are the elements of set, that is binary operation on hold in the table, that means closure property hold. Additive commutative property, that means A plus B equal to B plus A. It must hold. Associative property, A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C holds. Associative property holds. And next is symmetry. Composition table is composition table symmetric? For this, I will draw the leading diagonal. This is the leading diagonal. 0 is the diagonal element, and both sides of 0, that means this is one side, this is other side. Two elements are same. Second diagonal element is 2. Both sides of 2, that means this side and this side, this side and this side. All elements, here 1 and 1, here 1 and 1. here are two elements, here are two elements. All elements are same. So this is symmetry. Third element is 0. Here 3 2 2. Here 3 2 2. Oh, here I will get 3 elements. Here I will get 3 elements. All elements are same. Same in both sides. 3 3 3 2 2 3 2 2. 2 1 0 3 3 1 0 3 3. That means similar. Both sides of the diagonal element are same. So composition table is symmetric. And for identity. Next, for identity, which row and which column, which row is similar, this row is similar. That means R2 is similar. 0 1 2 3 4, 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3. This is column 2. Connecting of row 2 and connecting of row 2 and C2. This is connecting point of R2 and C2. This is 0. This is the identity element. This is the identity element. Another way of getting identity element, when 0 plus 0, I will get 0. 1 and 1, intersecting of 1 and 1, I will get 10. But I have to find this is 1 for identity element, because I know A plus E equal to E plus A equal to A. This is for identity element. This is the property of identity element. When an element is added to identity element, I will get the element itself. So here E is identity. If I get A plus E equal to E plus A equal to A, then I can tell E is the identity element. Here 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1, not 1, 2. 2 plus 2, that is 0. So 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 equal to, if 2 plus 2 equal to 2, then I can tell 2 is the identity element. 3 and 3. 3 plus 3, this is equal to 2. So 3 plus 3 equal to, not 3, but 0 plus 0 equal to 0. It is the easiest way to get the identity element, which row and which column is similar to 0, 1, 2, 3. That means the elements of S, R2 and here C2. Connecting intersection of R2 and C2, intersection of R2 and C2 is 0, and this 0 is the identity element. Next part is inverse. Inverse, in each row and each column, I will see the element 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. 0 is the identity element. Then 0, where will I get 0? 0, 0, 0. That means 0 is the inverse of 0. 1, 3. 1, 3. 1 is the inverse of 3. In this way, 3 is the inverse of 1. 3 is the inverse of 1. 3, 1, 0. 3, 1, 0. Where will I get 0? In this row. Here. Which elements are in between which operation here 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, that is equal to operation in between 3 plus 1, I will get 4 and so 0. In this way 3 is the inverse of 1 and 1 is the inverse of 3 and 2 is the inverse of 2. Okay. In this way I will get the inverse of an element. 0 is the inverse of 0. 1 is the inverse of 1 is the inverse of 3. 3 is the inverse of 1. 2 is the inverse of 2. In this way, I will get the inverse element of the binary operation and composition table. I hope you will understand the problem, and I will give you the video of this composition table of this composition table. You will see it. Now I am ending here.